Welcome to Animal Realm, your ultimate destination for all things wild. Let's know about the swans. Swans are among the most majestic and graceful of all bird species. Known for their elegance, beauty, and serene presence, swans have captivated human imagination and culture for centuries. This article delves into the various aspects of swans, from their physical characteristics and behavior to their cultural significance and conservation efforts. Physical characteristics, size and build. Swans are large waterfowl belonging to the family Anatidae. They are known for their impressive size, with some species being among the heaviest flying birds. Adult swans can have a wingspan ranging from 6 to 8 feet and can weigh between 15 to 30 pounds, depending on the species. They have long necks, which they often hold in an elegant S-shape, and large, webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers. Plumage. Swans are typically known for their striking white plumage, although some species, such as the black swan, Cygnus atratus, have black feathers. The plumage of swans is dense and waterproof, providing insulation and buoyancy in water. The feathers are meticulously maintained through preening, which keeps them in top condition. Bill and eyes. Swans have large, robust bills that vary in color depending on the species. The bill is an essential tool for foraging, as swans primarily feed on aquatic vegetation. Their eyes are positioned on the sides of their heads, giving them a wide field of vision to detect predators and navigate their environment. Species of swans. Mute swan, Cygnus oler. The mute swan is perhaps the most well-known and widely recognized swan species. It is native to Europe and Asia, but has been introduced to North America and other regions. The mute swan is characterized by its orange bill with a prominent black knob at the base. Despite its name, the mute swan is not entirely silent. It produces a variety of soft vocalizations and hisses when threatened. Hooper swan, Cygnus cygnus. The hooper swan is a large, migratory swan found in Eurasia. It is known for its distinctive yellow and black bill and its loud, trumpeting call, which can be heard over long distances. The hooper swan migrates between its breeding grounds in the Arctic and its wintering grounds in temperate regions. Trumpeter swan, Cygnus buccinator. The trumpeter swan is the largest swan species native to North America. It is named for its deep, resonant call, which resembles a trumpet. The trumpeter swan has a completely black bill and is known for its striking white plumage. It was once on the brink of extinction due to overhunting and habitat loss, but has made a significant recovery through conservation efforts. Tundra swan, Cygnus columbianus. The tundra swan, also known as the whistling swan in North America, is a medium-sized swan that breeds in the Arctic and migrates to more temperate regions during winter. It has a variable bill color, often with a small yellow spot near the base. The tundra swan is known for its high-pitched, musical calls. Black swan, Cygnus atratus. The black swan is native to Australia and is easily recognizable by its entirely black plumage and bright red bill. Unlike other swan species, the black swan is known for its nomadic behavior and lack of strong migratory patterns. It is also known for its striking appearance and unique courtship displays. Behavior and ecology. Habitat. Swans are primarily found in freshwater environments, including lakes, ponds, rivers, and marshes. They prefer shallow waters where they can easily reach aquatic vegetation with their long necks. Swans are also known to inhabit coastal estuaries and sheltered bays, particularly during migration. Feeding habits. Swans are herbivores, feeding mainly on aquatic plants, algae, and occasionally small invertebrates. They forage by dabbling or appending in the water, using their long necks to reach submerged vegetation. Swans also graze on grasses and grains in fields near water bodies. Reproduction and family life. Swans are known for their strong pair bonds, often forming monogamous relationships that can last for many years. During the breeding season, which varies depending on the species and location, swans engage in elaborate courtship displays, including synchronized swimming, mutual preening, and vocalizations. Swans build large nests, usually on islands or in dense vegetation near water. The nest is constructed from reeds, grasses, and other plant materials. The female typically lays between 3 to 8 eggs, which she incubates for about a month while the male guards the nest. Once the eggs hatch, both parents care for the cygnets, leading them to water and protecting them from predators. Migration. Many swan species are migratory, traveling long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. These migrations can be arduous, requiring swans to navigate across diverse landscapes and endure challenging weather conditions. Swans typically migrate in family groups, with young birds learning the migratory routes from their parents. Cultural significance. Mythology and folklore. Swans have held a prominent place in mythology and folklore across various cultures. In Greek mythology, swans were associated with Apollo, the god of music, poetry, and prophecy. The story of Leda and the Swan, in which Zeus transforms into a swan, is one of the most famous myths involving these birds. In Celtic mythology, swans were considered symbols of love, purity, and transformation. The legend of the children of Lyre, who were turned into swans for 900 years, is a well-known Irish tale. Swans also appear in Hindu mythology, where they are associated with Sarasvati, the goddess of wisdom and learning. Literature and art. Swans have inspired countless works of literature and art. In poetry, swans are often used as symbols of beauty, grace, and fleeting moments of perfection. William Butler Yeats' poem, The Wild Swans at Coole, reflects on the passage of time and the enduring beauty of swans. In visual art, swans have been depicted in various styles, from from classical paintings to modern sculptures. The famous ballet Swan Lake, composed by Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky, is a quintessential example of how swans have influenced the performing arts. Symbolism. Swans are symbols of various virtues and concepts, including love, fidelity, purity, and transformation. Their lifelong monogamous bonds make them emblems of enduring love and loyalty. In some cultures, swans represent the soul's journey and transformation, reflecting their ability to move gracefully between water, land, and air. Swans and climate change. Climate change poses a significant threat to swans and their habitats. Rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and sea level rise can alter the availability of food and nesting sites. Swans may also face increased competition from other species as their habitats shift. Researchers are studying the impacts of climate change on swans and developing strategies to help them adapt. Conservationists are working to enhance the resilience of swan populations by protecting critical habitats and promoting sustainable management practices. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey through the animal realm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting animal adventures. Until next time, stay wild and explore the beauty of nature.